Hello friends, welcome to Cherry's Home Kitchen. Today's recipe which I will be sharing with you are hot cross buns which are soft, fluffy and delicious. Mildly sweet and spiced with added juicy raisins, topped with a cross which has religious value. It surely is a homemade version of the traditional Easter recipe. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. We shall start by putting together our dry ingredients. I have taken 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour or Maida. Add 1/4 cup of sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half teaspoon of allspice powder. Now I shall add 2.5 teaspoons of active yeast and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Mix it together nicely. Now we shall set it aside. Now let us put together our wet ingredients. I will be taking half a cup of lukewarm milk. Add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter which is at room temperature. Now I will mix it together. I shall add 1 egg and beat it nicely. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we shall add our wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And using a spoon, I shall bring it together. If you find the mixture a little dry, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of milk. If your mixture gets too sticky, you can always make an adjustment by adding a teaspoon of all-purpose flour. Now we shall transfer the dough to a work surface. I shall stretch the dough and you must knead it a little for around 10 to 12 minutes till the gluten in the dough is activated. Spread a little oil in the bowl and place the dough in it. Also rub a little oil on the surface. Cover it with cling wrap and set it aside to proof for 1.5 hours or till it doubles in size. I have soaked half a cup of raisins in lukewarm water. I will drain out the water and pat it dry with a tissue paper. Our dough has doubled in size and transfer it to a work surface. We shall punch it down to remove the air. Now I shall spread the raisins. I would also add a tablespoon of frutti. Now fold in the dough and roll it into a log. Divide into 2 portions. Further, divide each portion into 5 balls each. Line a baking tray with butter paper and brush the paper with a little butter. Fold in the edges of each portion of the dough and shape it with your palm into a ball. Cover it with a muslin cloth and allow it to brew for 40 to 45 minutes or till it doubles in size. Now I will take half a cup of all-purpose flour and make a thick smooth batter with 1/3 cup of water. Pour it into a piping bag and make a cross on each bun. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes and place the tray in the oven to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Brush it with a little honey to give it that beautiful glaze. Our hot cross buns are ready. I am sure you are going to love them directly from the oven. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.